With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, today's question is, in hexagonal close packing of sphere in 3 dimension, which of the following statement is correct? Option 1. In one unit cell there are 12 octahedral voids and all are completely inside the unit cell. Option 2. One unit cell there are 6 octahedral void and all are completely inside the unit cell. Option 3. In one unit cell there are 6 octahedral void and out of which 3 are completely inside in unit cell and other 3 are partially inside the unit cell. And option 4. In one unit cell there are 12 tetrahedral voids and all are completely inside the unit cell. In the question we are given this hexagonal close packing. In this packing it is clearly seen that there are two type of layer. The one layer in which spheres are represented by dark line, that is A, and the second layer in which spheres are represented by dotted line, this is B, and this is repeated over and over again. So this is AB type arrangement. In this type of arrangement total tetrahedral voids are 12, out of which 8 are completely inside and rest 4 are shared with other unit cells. Tetrahedral voids are 6 and all are completely inside. So according to this we can say the first option is incorrect because here 12 octahedral voids are given in this option, but we have only 6 octahedral voids. In second option, one unit cell has 6 octahedral void, this is correct, and all are completely inside the unit cell, this is correct. Third statement, one unit cell has 6 octahedral void and 3 are completely inside and 3 are partially inside, this is incorrect. And the last, there are 12 tetrahedral voids, this is correct, but they are completely inside the unit cell, this statement is incorrect. So we have only one correct statement in this question, that is option B. Second statement is true for hexagonal close packing type ABAB. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.